initiatives?
So management is already a pro AI, so the summit is always good. There are a lot of talks, very good speakers, and so on. Combination of both.
A combination of what? Hello everyone, welcome to Step in Summit 2025, Asia's largest conference for software testers. Today we are joined by Mr. Nitin. He is from CRIF and SVP there. He was one of our esteemed speakers. Today we are here with a candid conversation and we'd like to start with the very first question. How was your experience at Step in this year?
Amazing, amazing. So every year when I come to the event, the summit is always good. There are a lot of talks, very good speakers, and so on. And the audience is really good and so on. So every year you will learn a lot, and at the same time you will get to share your thoughts as well with the audience and so on.
That's great. So if you had to describe your session in just one word, what would it be?
As I said, it's amazing.
Amazing. Okay. Oh, what's harder for you, like convincing testers to adopt AI or convincing management to fund AI initiatives?
So management is already a pro AI, so
Is
I
it?
think it is really hard to convince people. And actually, we have gone one step ahead, and we are from last 1 year we are already started using AI in a lot of our activities and so on. So a lot of POCs are done, and we are really getting very good results and so on.
And do you think companies are investing enough in upskilling testers or they're ignoring it?
Some companies are, and some companies may not be. So it depends on the company. At CRIF, we are really investing a lot. I mean, CRIF pays very attention to the people, innovation, and so on. That's the reason we are investing a lot on our people. Yeah.
Great. So what does your team usually go learning and upskilling? Like it is formal training, self-study or internal mentoring? How's it?
It's always a mix of everything. Okay, I think for giving only training to the people is not going to work. At the same time, they have to also self study and so on. But yes, I think it's a combination of internal and external trainings and so on.
Perfect. Now we'd like to play a small this and that with you. You have to choose one out of the two options.
Okay.
E-learning or live instructor sessions for upskilling?
I love to have live instructor.
Coffee break networking or booth browsing?
Coffee break.
AI assistant or human mentor for learning?
Combination of both.
Combination of what? Podcast or blogs?
Podcast.
Okay, so that was all. And last but not the least, any feedback for the organizers about the event?
No, I think they are really doing a great job year by year. I see I am coming to step in from last 4 years, and they are really doing a great job. Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. It helps us a lot and help us to do more better.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.